Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got my 2.5-year-old for her Easter basket. Almost everything that I bought was from the dollar store, and I actually only spent about $10. She's only 2.5, so for one, she's probably not going to remember much, and for two, there are very little things that make her very, very happy. So the first item that I got her was this egg-shaped chalk. She has been super into chalk since last summer, so I know that she will really, really enjoy this. I got her a cute little purple bunny. 3 of those other items are just eggs that I'm going to be filling in with some candy when we go hide them for her to find. Her favorite item that, well, actually, hold on. I got this wrapping paper for the basket, some Easter grass, for the bottom of the basket. I got her little ears. This year I got her yellow ones. And the actual little basket itself. And off of Amazon, I got her 2 things, which I will link down below. I got her this Play-Doh set. This was $15, but she's been into Play-Doh so much lately. My parents got her a set almost just like this, and she plays with it pretty much every single day at their house. So now she's gonna have one here. And lastly, I got her this cute little romper, also from Amazon, and I will link that below. I want to say it was about less than $15. Has a cute little bow in the back. Hold on. Looks like that. So now I'm going to try to put it all together. So I put that little Easter grass in there already. Next, I think I'm going to be putting in the eggs. Oh, I forgot to mention I got her Bubbles too, because she is obsessed with Bubbles, and she actually really likes Trolls, the movie. So I got her that. I'm going to put in the bunny in there. The ears. Her outfit. Alright, so that is those items in there. It's the eggs, the romper, the bunny, Bubbles, the ears. I'm going to put this behind it, and I'm going to try to wrap the whole thing up. This is what the basket looks all wrapped up. I really like how it turned out. I know she's going to be super excited, and I hope that I could give you some ideas of what you can give your 2-year-old for their Easter basket. If you like this video and you would like more videos just like this, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested on how I did this makeup look, I will have a video on it very soon, and I'll link that down below for you guys to watch. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.